Okay, so this is a really quick 2-minute tutorial, and I'm just going to show you how I'm making these beads, and these are the measurements. I've popped them down for you so you can make a note of them. For each bead I am using 3 strips, and the paper is the same paper that I was using on my DIY shimmer spray tutorial, so if you haven't watched that, have a quick look. So I'm going to roll the beads, and what I want to do is I want to make sure that that side of the paper is coming in really slightly. I'm not going to pay any attention to the other end, as long as I keep my strips together and I move the strips in very slightly. You can see I'm rolling it slowly and they're just moving in ever so slightly. And that is what was going to create this kind of fat teardrop, kind of triangle, kind of unusual shape. But you're just going to keep rolling. There's no rush, just take your time rolling. Keep rolling, making sure that you keep all 3 of those strips together. If you feel at any point it's not going quite the way you want it to, just back up and unroll it a little bit. When you get to the point where you are nearly at the end, you have got 3 strips to glue down. So I've got some Mod Podge here, just because I can't find my other glue, so I'm going to pop some glue on the end of those. I'm being quite liberal with the glue because I want to make sure that I am sticking all 3 layers down, and then I'm just going to wind the excess glue around the bead, and you will get gluey fingers. And there you go. Now, if you find that your bead is a little tight on your bead roller, the easiest thing to do is to just very slightly twist it in the opposite direction to the way that you wound it, and the bead will pop off, and then you can pop it onto whatever you want to do. I'm going to be spray painting these later on using the spray. So hope you've enjoyed that. That was just a quick tutorial for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because there's more tutorials coming up. Hit the bell icon and you'll be sure to be notified as soon as I pop a new one up. So thanks very much for watching. Speak to you soon.